No, I don't want you to kiss me. You probably have fleas and ticks and you name it.
You should get this paper before they do. No!
Too late.
No! My paper, not your paper. Ah, no. Ah!
They're as fat as goats.
Wait a minute, they're sharing it.
Do we have... Okay, let's see if we have a map left.
I'm taking a video of this right now. My paper. Ah, you can't have it. Ooh, stop it. Wait,
They're so strategic. They're so strategic with paper.
Oh, Mom, he's going for your bag. He's going for your bag.
We want more.
Recently, people have involved in incidents where the deer have eaten
Look at,
paper.
they've eaten all our paper, and now they're walking away, looking for more victims.
I don't understand why they like paper.
Oh my God.
Was that delicious? Huh, baby? Was that delicious?
We want more.
I might pet you.
He's going for your bag. Oh.
You seem lovable. And now you're going away.
Like, you have no more paper for me. Next victim.